Have you ever found yourself in a situation where dates seemed puzzling or caused confusion when interacting with people from different countries? Well, one of the major challenges in cross-cultural communication is the existence of different date formats worldwide. Imagine this scenario: you receive an email or a document from a colleague in a foreign country, and the date is written as March 5, 2023. Is it referring to the 3rd of May or the 5th of March? This ambiguity arises because different countries follow distinct date formats. In some regions, like the United States, the month usually comes before the day, leading to the format mm/dd/yyyy. However, in many European and Asian countries, including Italy, the day precedes the month, resulting in the format dd/mm/yyyy. This fundamental difference can cause significant confusion and misunderstandings, especially when dates are communicated without explicit clarification. Furthermore, there are countries that use alternative date formats altogether. The divergence in date formats poses challenges not only in personal communication but also in business operations and international collaborations. It becomes crucial to establish clear communication and understanding when dealing with dates to ensure accuracy and avoid costly errors. In SQL Server, the default date format is based on the language and regional settings of the server or the user. This means that if you have a database running on a server with one regional setting and then try to import or export data to another server with a different regional setting, you may encounter unexpected behavior or errors due to the mismatched date formats. The issue becomes even more pronounced when dealing with multinational organizations or applications that serve users from different countries. Imagine a scenario where a system stores dates in one format, but the data needs to be integrated or analyzed with data from another system that uses a different date format. This mismatch can lead to incorrect interpretations and calculations, affecting the accuracy and reliability of the data. To address this challenge, SQL Server provides functions and techniques for managing and converting date formats. For example, the convert function allows you to explicitly convert a date or time value from one format to another. Additionally, you can use the set date format statement to specify a specific date format for a session or query, overriding the default regional settings. It is important to be aware of the regional settings and date formats used in different SQL Server instances or environments. When designing databases or developing applications, it is recommended to follow best practices and use standardized date formats, such as the ISO 8601 format, which provides a consistent and unambiguous representation of dates. These are the ISO formats. The set language and set date format statements are used to specify the language and date format for a session or a query. Here's an example of setting the language to English and the date format to month, day, year. With the convert function, we will attempt to convert a string into a valid date. If an invalid date is used, an error will be displayed. Standardization efforts, such as the ISO, have been introduced to promote a universal date representation. This format eliminates ambiguity by arranging the date elements from the most significant to the least significant. Let's see some examples. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy coding.